Welcome to this comprehensive overview of the UTRAN architecture. In this video, we will explore the components and functionalities of the evolved Universal Terrestrial Radio Access Network, which is a crucial part of the fourth generation of 4G mobile communication system. Let's dive in to understand how UTRAN enables high-speed and efficient wireless communication. UTRAN, or Evolved Universal Terrestrial Radio Access Network, serves as the radio access network for LTE long-term evolution. It is a key component of the 4G mobile communication system. UTRAN is designed to deliver high-speed data, reduce latency, and efficiently utilize the available spectrum, making it a significant advancement over previous cellular technologies. To fully understand UTRAN, let's explore its main components. These include the user equipment, or UE, the ENODB, which is the evolved Node B or base station, and the evolved packet core, or EPC. Within the EPC, we'll examine the Mobility Management Entity, or MME, the Serving Gateway, or SGW, and the Packet Data Network Gateway, or PGW. The user equipment, or UE, refers to the mobile device used by the end user, such as smartphones, tablets, and modems. It communicates with the ENODB using uplink and downlink connections. The UE supports the LTE radio interface for both voice over LTE or VoLTE and data services. It also ensures seamless mobility by performing handovers between different cells. The ENODB, or Evolved Node B, is the LTE base station that directly connects with UEs and manages all radio-related functions. Its responsibilities include Radio Resource Management, or RRM, which involves allocating spectrum and optimizing performance. It also handles mobility management, facilitating UE handovers between cells. Furthermore, it manages packet scheduling, controlling data packet transmission, and interacts with the evolved packet core, or EPC, to send user data and control signals. The evolved packet core, or EPC, serves as the core network of LTE. It is responsible for user authentication, mobility management, and routing packets to external networks such as the Internet and IP Multimedia Subsystem, or IMS. The EPC consists of three main components: the Mobility Management Entity, or MME, the Serving Gateway, or SGW, and the Packet Data Network Gateway, or PGW. The Mobility Management Entity, or MME, handles signaling and the control plane, but it does not transmit user data. It manages UE authentication, ensuring that only authorized users access the network. The MME is also responsible for session management, maintaining active connections and managing handover procedures which enable seamless transitions between cells. The Serving Gateway, or SGW, acts as a router between the ENODB and the Packet Data Network Gateway, or PGW. It buffers packets during handovers, ensuring smooth transitions and preventing data loss. This buffering mechanism is crucial for maintaining continuous connectivity as users move between different cells. The Packet Data Network Gateway, or PGW, connects LTE networks to external networks such as the Internet, IMS, and private enterprise networks. It allocates IP addresses to UEs, enabling them to communicate over the Internet. The PGW also enforces quality of service, or QoS, policies, ensuring that different types of traffic receive appropriate priority and bandwidth. The UTRAN working process involves several key steps. First, the UE attaches to the ENODB, establishing a connection via LTE radio signals. Next, the MME authenticates the UE, verifying its credentials. Data packets are then routed through the EPC via the SGW and PGW to the Internet, or IMS. Finally, the ENODB ensures smooth handover between LTE cells, maintaining connectivity without dropping calls. UTRAN offers several significant advantages. It provides higher data speeds, potentially reaching up to 1 gigabit per second under ideal conditions. It also reduces latency to less than 10 milliseconds, which is crucial for real-time applications. Utron utilizes orthogonal frequency division multiple access or OFTMA for efficient spectrum utilization. Furthermore, it supports seamless handover within LTE and to older 3G and 2G networks, ensuring continuous connectivity. In conclusion, Utron is the radio access part of LTE, providing high-speed, low-latency, and efficient mobile communication. It consists of UEs, NODIBs, and the EPC, ensuring smooth packet data transmission and mobility management. Its advanced features enable LTE networks to meet the demands of modern wireless applications, making it a cornerstone of today's mobile technology.